everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel, you guys. So today I am coming along with the project share. I did create, well, let's take that back. I created something that I had seen somebody create here on YouTube, and I think it was Baby's Crafts that created this. I tried looking for her video where she did this. I could not find it. Maybe I'm mistaken. If I am, please let me know. I also did receive this kind of embellish or sequence. It's a sequence box album. Anyways, so I have you guys know I've been making little albums for family, friends, and I had some scraps left over, so I decided to use those scraps. And I was gonna create another album, but I was like, it's a little too small. So what I ended up doing, I came to my mind or my head or my memory here. Yeah, so let me show you what I'm talking about before you guys go all crazy. Like, just show it, spit it out. Here, you guys, I ended up creating this. It's like a little embellishment book box, and I'm trying to do sequence like everybody else is doing their little charms and everything. So I did add this, and I did do this. So anyways, I am, like I said, I've been trying to use my scraps up, and I did have these extra ones. And then you guys, if you guys have this what is it called, this twine, oh my goodness, look at how cute that came out, and it's so easy to play with. So there you go. Anyway, so okay, let me go ahead and go in here, and this is what I ended up creating, you guys. So like I said, what they did is they got these little bowls from like trays, serving bowls, like I don't know what they're called. I don't let me see, I have them in here. Sorry, you guys. I am looking for them, you guys. This is what they look like. You find these at a Dollar Tree, and they're called mini wavy plates. Aren't these cute? Anyways, so what you do, and you just, fill it up with your sequin mix and put cello all over it on the bottom. Well, cover it with cello, and then you just put some glue and you just attach it there, and that's really nice. It's cute. I know that from what I remember, the video showed 4, and the one that I got, I can't remember. I have it somewhere, and I just ran across it like not too long ago, and I think that's why this came to mind. So, and then these are extra pieces of embellishments that somebody can use, but that's what I ended up creating. Like I said, I'm not too sure, but I think it was Baby's Crafts. I could be mistaken, but yeah, oh my goodness. And that is just an awesome idea, awesome way to just gift some sequins. And there you guys go. And there you guys go. Okay, you guys can see that. Well, thank you guys for taking the time to watch. And if you guys have not subscribed to my video, would love to have you on board. Anyways, again, thank you again. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.